Okay, Holly, here's the thing. We're going to get to this in a little bit, but the idea that the defense put forward in their closing argument is that perhaps Cindy Cobb, Chad Cobb's mother, is the one who's really responsible, is the one who might have made that call to the Dominoes. After all, it's very strange, according to the testimony of Christopher Mike Stefanko, that in the middle of the night, when all of this occurred, he gets a pounding at his door from Cindy Cobb and, Chad Cobb's mother, and that's very weird. But at the same point, even if you want to take that as true, why is Erica Stefanko saying these things? Why? She didn't know she was being recorded. Why is she saying these things? What could she feel responsible for? What part did she play? Why is she worried the police are going to come after her? Why is she worried Chad Cobb's going to turn on her? Unless, if she's completely innocent, she has nothing to worry about. So that's the thing that I just feel the jury can't get over.
Mm-hmm. That's right, Jesse. So Erica can't stop talking. After the murder of Ashley and after Chad goes to jail, Erica won't stop talking. And she won't stop talking because she has some things to say, to brag about, some big talk about her involvement in Ashley's murder and how there's no love lost between Ashley and Erica. And so I think in this case, we have the convergence of several different things that are all true, all at the same time. One, I think that Erica is definitely involved in the murder of Ashley Briggs. She says so herself several times. And if we go upstream as to how this started and whose idea it was, Erica admits on the recording that she does that. We've got a mother-in-law that does not like Erica. That's true because we have a recording. You aren't in a really great relationship with your mother-in-law if she's pressing record right before you sit down in the barn and start talking about the grandkids. And we have Chad Cobb, who is very, very upset at Erica for having a child with his best friend and moving on. So we've got, in my opinion, all three things are true. And that's why the jury's having a hard time with it, because it's not a black and white situation where you've got Cindy Cobb without any evidence or bias, right? If Erica goes to jail, guess who gets the kids, right? If I were the defense, I would really focus, as they did, I would really highlight how Cindy Cobb benefits. And what do we know about Chad Cobb? Mm-hmm. We know he is obsessed about his kids and who has them and who has control of them. That's how this murder all started, a custody dispute over his children between his baby mama and himself. And so it makes sense that he, from beyond the grave in jail, is still obsessed with who's going to have custody of his kids. And that's where Cindy Cobb comes in.
Mm-hmm. You mentioned Cindy Cobb. Let's go to her. This was her on the stand testifying earlier on in the trial.
But you felt